Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Art Buff Lima. Children while writing words get confused with the sound of vowels mostly. Like age and ant both start with the letter A but have different sounds, and that is because vowels have two sounds. Let us understand that letters are divided into two categories, consonants and vowels. By definition, vowels are the letters that represent speech sounds where air leaves the mouth without any blockage by the lip, tongue, or throat. Namely, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Vowels have two sounds, a short sound or a vowel sound and a long sound, also known as the name sound. Let's understand one vowel at a time. First, letter A or vowel A. Letter A makes two sounds. A short sound A as in the word can, k, a, n, and a long sound A as in the word cane, k, a, n. Letter E. It makes two sounds. A short sound E as in the word ten, t, e, n, and a long sound E as in the word teen, in. Letter I again makes two sounds. A short sound as E, like in the word pin, pa, I, n, and a long sound I in the word pine, pa, I, n. Letter O makes the two sound. A short sound as O in the word not, n, o, t, and a long sound as O, like in the word note, n, o, t. And lastly, letter U. It makes short sound as A, as in the word tub, t, a, b, and a long sound as U, like in the word tube, t, u, b. I hope you liked the video. Please write down in the comments for more suggestions.